This is Nokia E71 from 2008. Back in the day, people didn't like this device camera. So I tried to take some pictures with this device. Let's watch them quickly. After that, if you are still watching, let's discuss some interesting things about this device. Now let's talk about this device in detail, about everything. So the color I have with me is red color. It had a red color power on button. The color of the power button is same in every color. Either it can be gray or black device. The color is the same. Design and build quality. It had a stainless steel build. This phone looks like a BlackBerry phone because of the QWERTY keypad, I think. It is a stainless steel build. So to open this back cover, there is two buttons on either sides. You have to click them, then it will then you can remove the back panel. It had a 1500 mAh battery. Let's talk about the ports now. This is USB port for transferring files, and this is memory card slot to increase the memory. And this one is infrared transmitter. You can use this to transfer files from this device to another device like Bluetooth, but you'll get files transferred by using light. And this side we have volume increase button, volume decrease button, and this is for voice commands. And it has a 2.5 mm headphone jack, not 3.5 mm. And then here is the charging port, and this one is for lanyard. On the back side we have camera module, which is 3.2 megapixel autofocus and LED flash. It has a steel mirror for taking, it will help in taking portraits, whether to check whether you are in the frame or not. You can see that it works like a mirror. This has a front camera, but the device I got, it was missing. To use the front camera you need to install another app. It can be used only for video calls, not for taking selfies. You can see right here, this is the speaker. It has 2.36-inch display, 320p display with 169 ppi. The colors are okay according, but it was from very long back, so you shouldn't expect more. So coming to the processor, it have ARM11 processor, which is clocked at 369 MHz. OS, it runs on Symbian 9.2 Series 60. That's all I can remember. This phone targeted customers are who has priority for emailing. So that's why you got this QWERTY keypad. And it is not just a keypad phone, it's a smartphone, means you can multitask and use internet connection to browse and send emails. You can use Microsoft applications like Excel, MS Word, PDF, things like that. So that's all about this device. And one thing I forgot to tell you is it has a notification LED, but unlike others, it has a notification LED in the home button. Means it all glows when you get messages or calls.
LED in this Nokia E71 phone. You can set intervals for LED blinking. I will turn off the light now so you can see it more clearly. That's all for this video.